Did gossip save humanity from extinction? Chapter 1. The Hidden Power of Gossip. When people think about survival in the Stone Age, they picture spears, fire, or raw strength. But those alone didn't guarantee survival. If it was just about power, Neanderthals, bigger, stronger, and better adapted to Europe's cold, should have dominated. And yet, they vanished. What made us different? One overlooked weapon: gossip. The ability to share stories about people, dangers, and events, even when you weren't there to see them. Gossip was more than idle chatter. It was a prehistoric intelligence network, keeping tribes informed, alert, and united. Chapter 2. The Tree of Knowledge. Picture a fruit tree deep in the forest. To a lone wanderer, it looks delicious, but one bite turns deadly. If that was a Neanderthal's experience, the knowledge may die with him. His group learns little. Now imagine Homo sapiens. One person eats, suffers, and survives to tell the story. Around the fire, the warning spreads. That tree kills. Everyone in the group now knows, even those who never saw it. That's gossip in action, the transformation of personal experience into collective memory. It wasn't just talk, it was a survival system. Every tale of a poisonous berry, an untrustworthy ally, or a dangerous animal became a protective shield for the group. Chapter 3. Why Neanderthals failed. Neanderthals weren't stupid. They made tools, hunted large animals, and survived harsh winters for thousands of years. But their communities were small, often limited to 20-30 members. Without gossip to scale trust and knowledge, they couldn't build alliances beyond those circles. Homo sapiens, on the other hand, used gossip to unite hundreds, even thousands. You didn't need to know everyone personally. You only needed to hear about them. Who was trustworthy? Who betrayed others? Who had skills worth following? This ability turned fragile groups into strong networks. Neanderthals relied on strength of body. We relied on strength of story. Guess which survived. Chapter 4. Gossip as the first social network. Today, social media connects billions with posts, tweets, and viral clips. But 70,000 years ago, gossip did the same job. It was humanity's first platform. It allowed strangers to trust each other based on reputation. It kept leaders accountable, or elevated them. It gave groups shared beliefs about danger, opportunity, and identity. Without gossip, cooperation collapses at scale. With it, Homo sapiens could hunt in larger packs, defend bigger territories, and eventually build villages, cities, and civilizations. Gossip wasn't just chatter. It was the invisible architecture of society. Our conclusion. So ask yourself, was gossip just mindless talk? Or was it the very tool that gave us the edge over every other human species? From warning about poisonous trees to exposing traitors, gossip was our survival code. It united us, protected us, and, unlike fire or spears, it never burned out. Without gossip, there is no trust. Without trust, no large tribes. Without tribes, perhaps no humanity as we know it. What do you think? Did gossip truly make us human? Feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe before this truth gets buried by history.